In this video, I'm going to show what it looks like to check engagement on a prospect account using LeadIQ's Lando. So I will pop open the LeadIQ extension, click on Lando here, and now all I have to do is start to ask my question. So I will ask, what does engagement look like at the LeadIQ account in Salesforce? From here, Lando will look into Salesforce for the specific account that I'm talking about, and it will surface a few different specific key fields, activities, and recent tasks. As you can see, I can scroll back, see what specifically was surfaced, whether it's calls or tasks that were either completed or left open. And from here, I think I want a little bit more context. So I'm going to ask, what contacts have gone dark at this account? Now, Lando will adjust what he's looking at, specifically for the contacts that may not have been engaged with recently. You can see a couple of them. And now, as a rep, this really gives me a good idea of who I might be not in current contact with that I should be, and it will help me prospect the account more efficiently. So that's how you check engagement for an account using Lando.